We're now going to be making shapes in AutoCAD 3D. We're in 3D modeling mode. Come up here to the upper left corner and I click on the drop down menu and I see different shape types. So box, cylinder, cone, torus, wedge, and so on. If I click on box and click on the screen, notice it tells me specify first corner. So if you had a special place that you wanted to type in, you could, but most of the time you just click on the screen, and here it allows you to type in exact amounts of length and width. So let's say that I want a cube exactly 1 inch wide. Now to get from where I've typed in the 1 down over here to the second dimension, I need to hit the tab key on my keyboard. So I hit tab. That locks in that 1 inch wide. And so let's say it's 2 inches, 1 inch long, 2 inches wide. I hit tab again. Now it's locked in 1 and 2. I can toggle back between those. So let's say I did not want 1, I meant 3 inches by 2. I can change that easily. But once you get those two dimensions typed in, you hit enter, and now it says your height. And so in the height here, let's say that I want a height of 2.5 inches. So I type in 2.5 and I hit enter. Now, if I were to dimension this, this box would be exactly 3 inches long, 2 inches wide by 2.5 inches high, the numbers that we had just typed in. So that's how you access special shapes. That's also how you access exact sizes. So a cylinder, let's say I want a cylinder, and I want to click it out here. Let's say that I want the radius of this cylinder because the line is going from the center out to the edge. Let's say I want a radius of 0.5. I can type in a radius of 0.5 and hit enter. Okay, and then let's say I want this 0.5 tall as well. So that cylinder is a radius of 0.5. If you need to put in a diameter, let me click back on cylinder, and let's say that you meant to have a diameter of 0.5. You just simply come down here to the bottom and you click on the word diameter. You can also hit the letter that's highlighted blue, which is D for diameter. So if I hit D for diameter, now it is showing you the dimension goes all the way across that circle, showing you the diameter. So if that diameter was meant to be 0.5, obviously it's half the size because the radius was 0.5 before. Now the diameter is 0.5, and let's say 0.5 tall. So that's how you do special shapes. That's also how you navigate certain sizes. Cone the same way. Let's say a radius of 0.75, and let's say that the height of it we wanted 4 inches high. I can easily and quickly rotate around by my middle mouse wheel, zooming or clicking and dragging, or I can hold shift key and then middle mouse wheel and do a 3D orbit. But this is how you create shapes in 3D AutoCAD.